लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत है खुदाया मेरी, मेरे अल्लाह हर बुराई से बचाना मुझको, नेक जो राह है उसी राह पे चल।
A large number of poor women from the state of Jammu and Kashmir are sensing something unique they had never felt before. Empowerment, leadership, surge in confidence. The program that brought about this transformation is Ummeed, a project under National Rural Livelihoods Mission. At the heart of Ummeed is a strong belief that even the poorest of people have innate capabilities and a strong desire to transform their lives. The project shares the belief that to eradicate poverty, the poor need to be organized. Ummeed mobilizes poor women to get organized through self-help groups or SHGs. The project believes that these emerging organizations of poor shall remain engaged with the poor families until they come out of poverty. Ummeed is essentially a social movement for the poor women by the women. Its target is to create a social space where women emerge as leaders and decision makers and take control of their lives. Over the years, while other parts of the country benefited from liberalization and high growth, Jammu and Kashmir faced stagnation. The poor became even poorer. Women, vulnerable and socially neglected, are the worst sufferers of this shrinking development. Ummeed believes that inclusive and sustainable growth in J&K is possible through building strong and sustainable institutions of poor women. Strong institutions of the poor, such as SHGs and their federations, provide space, voice, and resources for the poor. They empower the poor.
The mission, the government agencies, NGOs are external agencies which have a catalytic role, but the real work has to be done by the poor themselves. Then only you will have sustainable poverty eradication, then only you can have plans which are owned by the people, so the motivation, the direction for implementation comes from them.
After Daftar Jan lost both of her brothers to accidents, she thought her world had come to a crashing close. With no vocational skills, she simply didn't know what to do. Ummeed gave her support. As an SHG member, Daftar Jan found her confidence back.
मैंने बुक कीपर की ट्रेनिंग आंध्रा में जाकर ली ओम प्लेस में, तो वहाँ पे मैंने सीखा कि किस तरह किताबें मेंटेन करनी है। और इसमें SHG ग्रुप में जुड़कर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि पहले हम अकेले अपने दुख में, अपने गमों में अकेले तन्हा रहते थे, लेकिन अब अगर हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, चाहे खुशी हो, गम हो, हम एक दूसरे के साथ शेयर करते हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ बांट कर खुशी से रहते हैं।
पैसे की बात नहीं है, पैसे से ही मशवरा देकर, उसको दिलासा देकर, उसका हौसला बढ़ाकर, हाँ, उसको लगता है कि सच में ये मेरा एक मायका जैसा है, सच में ये सारी जो 10 मेंबर है यहाँ पे, ये मेरी सहेलियाँ हैं, ये मेरी बहनें हैं।
अस्कर जमा मतलब अस 10 जनियों कर जमा 700 रॉपिया रेतस यह गो 100 रॉपिया जमा।
The group and its fund has become a mini bank of women. It is accessible to all its members.
मैंने अपने ग्रुप से 1000 रुपया लिया, जिससे मैंने कपड़ा और धागा खरीदा और उस शाल को छुपवा कर उस शाल को मैंने खुद किया। उसी शाल को मैंने अपनी एक सिस्टर थी, उसकी शादी थी, उसी शाल को मैंने उस पर बेचा 2500 में। वो जिस शाल को वो 300 मुझे देता था या 400 देता था, उसी शाल को मैंने 2500 में बेचा। मैंने अपने ग्रुप का जो कर्ज लिया था वो भी अदा किया।
Ummeed is bringing these women together so that they create their own SHGs and their federations. Through this process, Ummeed is providing a platform for collective action based on self-help and mutual cooperation. In the first phase, Ummeed covered 4 resource blocks. In these blocks, 200 village organizations of SHGs have come up.
हमारे यहाँ 12 ग्रुप है और 12 ग्रुप में 126 महिलाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं।
These village organizations provide the poor a platform for collective action at the village level. These federations increase their voice, space and bargaining power in favor of its members. Village organizations regularly monitor and build capacities of member SHGs by carrying out regular grading and auditing of member SHGs every quarter. With time, these institutions will emerge stronger and become sensitive internal support structures and institutions for the poor. Thus, the program for the poor becomes the program by the poor and of the poor. These institutions of poor have emerged as a platform for convergence and optimization of all anti-poverty programs. Ummeed provides revolving fund and community investment fund to SHGs that follow Panchasutras through these village organizations. This is to inculcate the habit of thrift and fund management among the SHGs. These funds act as catalytic capital for leveraging with institutional credit for the poor.
This revolving fund was आमत, मैं उस पर मुफ्त में लाटे, दिलशाद दमत उस पर सुकेज़ जन्नत ग्रुप में ताकि विज़े, तिमोचा कोई रोज़गार उसमें सुकर्म.
These women have access to their own second bank, the village organization. This makes it a lot easier to meet their needs, but in consultation with other group members.
तो कुल मिला के 11,000 बनता है, हमें सिर्फ 6,000 है, तो हम 5,000 अपने वीओ से ले लेंगे। ठीक है, मंजूर है आप सबको? मंजूर है।
Ummeed also intends to look at the entire portfolio of livelihood at each household level and facilitate support for the activities at the individual and household level.
तो तेम पात क्या शुना लिस्ट में आख मतलब ये मीटिंग अस लिस्ट ऐसे पात नहीं ऐसा बैंक पे बैंक वालन मूंग ऐसे राइपी सास एमो द्युत ऐसे आराम सान ये राइपी सास वापस होता है अगर कस मांगा राइपी सास सु दिया ना कि दिया मगर दिया ना सुगो ना दिनस बराबर मैं मतलब उम्मीद में चाहे ना अगर मतलब 10 सास कस मांगो ना सु दी 20 सास दहन बजाय मगर तेली ये उम्मीद मज जुड़ी.
Livelihood options would need credit. There has to be a credit linkage with the banks. Bank has come forward in such a big way to provide credit to these self-help groups. They are more than convinced that the micro credit plans for each household that are being submitted to them are viable and sustainable.
The social capital generated in Ummeed is in the form of women activists, SHG leaders, community mobilizers, community trainers and community auditors. Internal community resource persons help the project to expand to new blocks and to deepen the project in resource blocks. It is these women who drive the project and make it their own. Leaders like Dilshada is the head of her SHG. It is called Khan SHG and it has 10 members. Dilshada is quite comfortable in conducting the affairs of a group, duly following the Panchasutras or the 5 cardinal principles of running an SHG. Weekly meetings, weekly savings, internal lending, regular repayments and healthy bookkeeping. Ummeed has created a space for thousands of women like Dilshada to excel in their leadership roles, and these women have gained immense social respect.
ये पूरी कंट्री में एक नया तजुर्बा है कि एक कम्युनिटी से ही कार्डर क्रिएट करना, बाहर से कोई नहीं लाना, और कम्युनिटी के वो मेंबर्स जो इस सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप तहरीक के साथ जुड़ गए हों, उन्हीं में से खा उनके अपने बच्चे हों या खा वो खुद हों, उन्हीं में से चूज़ करके एक कार्डर क्रिएट करके जो इस स्कीम को ब्लॉक सतह पर चला ले, तो ये एक नया तजुर्बा है. अभी तक तो ये हमारा तजुर्बा बहुत ही कामयाब हुआ है.
Ummeed has successfully organized more than 25,000 women into 2,550 SHGs and 200 village organizations in the initial blocks of Lar, Khan Sahib, Chanani and Basholi. In these 4 blocks, women have made their own internal savings of more than 1.5 crore rupees. They have managed and attracted funds to the tune of 8 crore rupees through Ummeed. On an average, every village organization manages about 5 lakh rupees and SHGs have access to 1,25,000 rupees in the first year. Ummeed has now set the target of forming 90,000 SHGs covering all 4,098 panchayats of the state in the next 5 years. At a budget outlay of 755 crore rupees, the ambitious special program would cover 2/3 of the state's rural households involving 9 lakh women.
This program has been launched only last year in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and it has gotten off the ground extremely well. I had occasion to visit and interact with these women who have come into the fold of self-help groups, and I had a detailed interaction with these women, both young and old, and the kind of enthusiasm, the commitment and the confidence that I saw in them is like seeing is believing. They are so enthusiastic about what they have been doing in the last 1 year, and it holds a great promise for this program to roll out in the rest of the state.
In totality, if you see, the woman is more empowered, she is taking decision, she is the one who is bringing finance to her family, she is the one now who is thinking about the nutrition, about the sanitation of her own village. So now the woman is in the center stage.
It's been a fascinating journey of self-discovery for these women from Jammu and Kashmir. Their emerging ability to put the future in motion is already translating into numerous success stories.
सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपन हिम्मत वत थोद तुत पन प्लान कर पर्नोक लेखनोक बच्चे
अगर मैं कम तश पोर्मुत या अनपढ़ तस मगर पन्निस बच्चे सुन मुस्तकबिल बह ब्रोह यसान पकनाउन।
मैंने उम्मीद से ये सीखा है कि पढ़ाई मेरा हक है और मैं इसे हासिल करके रहूँगी।
जो जोश खरोश और जो जज्बा उन औरतों में है और फिर जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग वो दिखाती हैं सोशल इश्यूज़ पर, और इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मुतल्लिक जो उनको पूरा फ़हम है, पूरा सोच है कि उनने किस तरह इसको एसिमुलेट किया है सारे प्रोसेस को, तो वो देखने के लायक है। तो ये आदमी को कभी अंदाज़ा नहीं होता है कि इन औरतों में इतना पोटेंशियल है, इतनी क़ुव्वत है इनमें। तो ये क़ुव्वत तभी इनमें आ गई जब हमने इनको एक प्लेटफार्म मुहैया कर दिया, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप का प्लेटफार्म।
The women of Jammu and Kashmir have started proving beyond doubt that given responsibility, they are ready and competent enough to fulfill it. Change is no longer a far-fetched dream. It has now become a song of deliverance, a song about togetherness and mutual self-help towards collective development.